Hey guys!
We are so excited for today because we're actually meeting up a new friend, Lam, that we met at the beach cleanup. We're gonna be going cliff jumping at
Waimea
Waimea
Bay.
Bay.
Yeah.
I'm kind of nervous,
Yeah, I don't know if I can.
but it'll be fun. We'll try it.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I really wanna try it.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna
Yeah?
keep my teva on in case I hit on rocks or something.
Yeah. So it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Go.
Let's go. This is it, guys. We are at the Waimea Bay. Over there in the distance, that's the rock that we can climb up and dive. My goodness, it looks scary. She's excited.
That's really high. It looks
Yeah.
really high.
All right, let's go. Byung. Hey guys. So Lam is taking a while to get here. I think he's stuck in traffic or something. So we're gonna go ahead and try to climb up that rock and jump.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. My heart is pumping.
She's done this before in Cancun.
I think it was like 15 to 20 feet though. This looks really high.
And
30 feet.
I have never done it before. So I'm getting really nervous.
Wish us luck.
Let's try it. Let's go. Oh, it doesn't look that bad.
It doesn't look that bad.
I don't know. Okay, never mind. It's pretty high. Oh, damn. All right, guys. Woo. Woo. Oh, I totally ran over my butt. That hurt.
Where's that?
Woo!
I see it. Oh, my butt hurts. Landed on my butt.
So was it a lot higher than Cancun?
It's scary. I'm not gonna lie. It's really scary.
Jump. Alright guys, we actually made a new friend today here. Her name is Fahrial. And then this is our friend we mentioned, Lam. Yeah, so this is the secret spot, guys.
And you want to see the view?
Awesome. Yeah, let's check out the view.
Oh my gosh, those light Yep, we decided to come snorkel. We decided to come snorkel with Fahrial and Lam today. It's really cold, but
Yeah, I think it's the coldest.
yeah, very cold. It's very cloudy, but it'll be fun.